I'm Christina Vonti Fisher, and welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm going to show you how I make lentil soup.
It's a one-pot meal, so we're just going to dump everything in and get going.
First, saute garlic, oregano, cumin, onions, carrots, and celery with olive oil for 3 minutes. Next, add the potatoes and saute for an additional 3 minutes. Next, add the broth and bay leaves, tomato sauce, water, and the lentils, and stir and bring to a low boil. So now we're just gonna bring it down. I'm gonna put it between medium and low, and I'm just gonna let it simmer. I'm gonna check it every hour, but 3 hours is best. That's gonna cook in all the yummy flavors of the garlic, the oregano, the cumin, bay leaf. Oh my goodness, it's gonna be so amazing. Finally, serve with shredded Parmesan cheese if desired. This soup can store in your fridge for 4 days, or you can freeze it for up to 1 month. I hope you enjoy.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to hit the like button.